Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. On this video, I'm going to teach you how to hide your reposts on your application that's called TikTok, or how to hide reposts on TikTok. Essentially, there's an option there that even you reposted something, a video, or whatever on TikTok, you're gonna get notified of what your reposts are. Now, I'm gonna teach you how to hide those. Before we get started there, I'm gonna open settings. Please do so on your end. Now, from here, I want you to just update your general tab. Click on this one and click on software update right there. What we're doing here is we're making sure our iOS, our phone, our device is really up to date. And as you can see on my end here, it has a pending update of 16.6 iOS, and that means that I need to install this to have the best features of iOS available currently. However, I'm not going to install it right now because that will take much time. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to leave it as of now. However, guys, if you have a pending update, I strongly suggest that you update it before doing anything, especially when you're doing tutorials like this, okay? So, the thing here, we're going to hide reposts. Please open your TikTok app. And from here, this should be my landing page. And just lower my volume because sometimes it plays suddenly. From here, as you can see, these are the For You page, Friends page, Follow page, right? The thing here is we want to make sure we're on the profile tab. After we go in there, just click on the profile section.
Marami na rin bang gasgas ang
here, and this is my profile section. And click on the three lines on the top right section, click on the settings and privacy. And that being said, we need to look for reposts here. Under the content and display or interaction, there should be a repost notification here. Let's check it, okay? So let's try going here at security. Try going in privacy, and under interactions there should be a repost because there are comments, mentions, likes, messaging, story, duet, stitch, stickers, and so on and so forth. However, there isn't a repost option just yet. I think TikTok is still on the move, still rolling out to the public, just talking about it. However, it's not really available to the public just yet. So what we can do is we can just wait for it as of now, but soon it will be available, okay? So that being said, thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe. Have a safe one, guys.